Right, as you can see, phone yedu yanaka iyo yanaka, and maona Samsung f13. Saka takuda kuisa temper manje anditika. After taisa screen anditika, we want to put the temper glass. So here is the temper glass. Here is the temper glass. Right. Okay. So before atina kuibata screen anditika, this is the temper glass. Tailoka, right? We remove this seal to visa seal here. Visa seal and the visa seal. You can see the screen. So, kanata visa seal. There is no need of this. Akanabasa. Kanatangu tishango visa screen. My wipers anoishwa. Kana pambo iskwa my fingerprints and it. So as you can see, hapa na my fingerprints and it. So right, let's put the temp. So to visa seal, remove the seal like this. Yes, right. And we put our temper glass nicely. Put our temper glass nicely. Nicely like this. Nicely. Right. As you can see, we put our temper glass here. So our temper glass nicely. Right. See, this is our phone. Done. Phone editor. Taisa temper glass and everything. 90 minutes.